Hello everyone, welcome back to Modern Homesteading with Tessa. I'm Tessa and this is the channel where I show you how to feed yourself. Today we have something super exciting that's been in the works for months. We are going to be unboxing this brand new Featherman poultry processing equipment. So this equipment was made possible by some grant funding that we were very fortunate to receive. So we submitted our application last fall. We found out that we won the grant in February, and then it is almost the beginning of May, and we just received the equipment yesterday. So we're gonna go ahead and get it all unpacked and see what we've got in here. So this was months of researching, planning, and deciding what equipment would be best for this. This is not only going to allow us to quadruple our efficiency and our productivity as far as processing poultry for our own farm, but we're actually also going to be able to begin offering a poultry processing service to our community. So that's a really exciting part of this. It's not just benefiting our own farm, but the community around us. So for folks who want to raise their own chickens, but they don't want to process their chickens for whatever reason. There's a multitude of reasons why people wouldn't want to do it themselves. They don't want to invest in the equipment, tons of reasons. So that's a service that we're going to be offering. People will be able to bring their live birds that they've lovingly raised the way that they want to raise them, and then we will humanely process them and then return them to the customer whole and shrink wrapped. So pretty exciting. So we got the Featherman stainless scalder with the roto dunker, so that's going to be huge. We got the Featherman Pro plucker. We got their huge chill tank that can hold up to 200 birds. And we also got the stainless steel. We got 8 stainless steel kill cones. Part of this grant funding, we also got some Premier One poultry crates, which is a major upgrade for us. So that's super exciting as well. So this equipment arrived on a big truck, so make sure that it was a semi truck, so make sure you have plenty of room at your facility to handle a big truck coming in. But then there was a gate to drop it down, and he wheeled it right over here with a pallet jack, so we didn't have to have any equipment or a forklift or anything to unload it, which was really nice. Here we go. So we've got the big chill tank here first. So this is the roto dunker. So you just stick your birds right in there and it automatically rotates and scalds them. That's going to be huge. Oh, these are the kill cones and the on-off switch for the roto dunker. These are the stainless steel poultry cones, the kill cones. Absolutely a standard in humane processing of chickens is the cone. I can't tell you how many times people are like, oh, we just used to use a chopping block and let them run. No, we put them in these cones face down and we let them sit there for a minute and relax and pass peacefully. Huge part of that. Oh, they even sent us a lighter. That was nice of them. All right, let's see what else is in here. Man, these are heavy duty cones. Really well made. It came with some replacement rubber fingers. That's cool. A ball valve must be for the bottom of the scalder. Another ball valve. We'll see what those are all for. And some hardware. I like that it has cardboard covering that so it didn't get bent. So here's the scalder. That is a beast. So on the back here you can see the propane hookup. Let's see, looks like the thermostat. Okay, so we'll get all that hooked up. Okay. All right, so here is the plucker. Super excited about that. It has around the top, it distributes water so you don't have to stand there with the hose. It's just always flowing. So that's really cool. And then there's a hole here that kicks the feathers out. There's some valves on the back here for adjusting the water flow. So we have these cross braces that go on the chill tank to stabilize the sides. So these keep the sides of the chill tank from bowing out. How cool. All right, so then the only other assembly is installing the roto dunker onto the scalder. So let's see about the instructions here. There's a QR code to their YouTube videos, which I've definitely watched all of them. So it says that cold water will take approximately 2 hours to heat. Hot water takes less than an hour. So it looks like this valve goes on the end here. All right, cool. And then these are the brackets, it looks like, to attach the roto dunker to the scalder. Okay, that makes sense. Rim. And then this one goes like that. Oh, it goes on the outside, I see. Okay. Pretty simple. Okay. So then, I don't know if it matters which, oh yeah, it does matter. One side's square, one side is not. So this side here is going to attach to the motor. There we go. You just have to make it go. Okay, then this. So then I believe this situation is for the chill tank. So I will have my plumber man double check my work on all this. You might want to ducks, I don't need you. All right. Cool beans. Ducks when 0 ducks are required for the project. I got him. These, we have a bachelor flock of ducks around to keep our slug population in check. So they say you don't have a slug problem, you have a duck deficiency. Let's see if he fits. Do you fit? Oh yeah, you do fit. Okay, wonder if I could. Dude, this would be the ultimate bathtub. Oh yeah. Talk about a deep bathtub. I can fit all the way spread out. This is crazy. Hey, it's kind of warm in here. All right, enough of that. Get back to work. Ow. Jeez. My shoes are right here. Ah! Almost took the camera out. And we chose not to get the stand that comes with the cones because of the way our setup is. We're actually going to mount these all along the fence. So we opted not to get the stand. So this is our old plucker, which it's been a really good plucker. We got it from Coops and More, and it's fantastic if one bird at a time works for you. So that's all we can usually fit in here is 1 bird at a time, maybe 2 if they're small, and it's definitely not big enough for turkeys. The new plucker will be able to fit 4 birds at a time. So literally quadrupling our throughput. And then this is our old scalder, which again has been a great scalder. It's from Roots and Harvest, but it can only fit 1 bird at a time and you're manually dunking each one. So this new scalder is going to, again, quadruple our throughput. So with this one, you can put 2 birds in each basket, and then it's automatically rotating and scalding your birds. So you're not sitting there manually dunking each individual bird. So you can stick your birds in there, walk away and do something else, and keep your production going. So it has this door that rotates. So as it's rotating, you can just stick your birds in there. It's a really low power motor. So there's no pinch points if you put your finger in there. It's not going to like cut someone's finger off or anything. You can stop it, stick your birds in, whatever. So it's not gonna hurt anything. So major upgrade. All right, so there's everything. We've got the Featherman Pro plucker, the scalder with the roto dunker. That's going to be a huge game changer for us. The chill tank that holds up to 200 birds, and the 10 stainless steel kill cones. Also, as part of this grant funding, we got the Premier One poultry crates. I've already been using those, and those have been fantastic. Definitely a game changer as far as the humane treatment and transportation of our birds. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Like this video if you like this video, and hit the subscribe button if you want to see more stuff from us. All right, talk to you guys next time. Bye.